Hey there, folks. Chuck here, and wow, a lot of you had thoughts on my video. I really appreciate it. A lot of you entered and wanted to make sure I picked the winner quickly, so you were not waiting too long. As I mentioned in the video, all you have to do is comment on the video with a vote. So if I pick your comment and it has a vote for one of the builds, and it doesn't say Bone Shaker, you're a winner. So we're gonna jump over here just real quick. This is how I did it. I tallied up everybody's comments here, and these are the votes from my patrons who got 3 votes based on, being patrons, and they were allowed to pick their top 3 cars, and those were weighted, and they are now picking between these 3 finalists, and there is a dark horse in that race with the Beetle truck. So we're down to the 55 Gaster, the Datsun 510, the Baja Breaker, and the Beetle truck. So we'll see which one of those, and they have until August 3rd to make that. So it'll be interesting, and then you'll see in the video which one they picked. So now it's time to pick our winner. So we're gonna go in here, filter the dupes, and we'll see what comes up. 102 unique comments. All right, awesome. Here we go. DKS Creates. Awesome. So he's got a relatively new YouTube channel, so be sure to go check him out and give him some support. He's just getting started with YouTubing, and he could definitely use a few extra subscribers, so go show him some love and tell him I sent you. So congratulations, my dude. Please reach out to me. You have 48 hours as per the usual agreement to let me know and send me your info, and I will send you something cool in the mail. So as always, I want to thank you all for coming along with me for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.